Hi everyone, this is Kivo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad ko muna ito reaction video. Ang Ruel Carino's interview together with Sir Win Gatchalan. Alam mo, bawat interview niya, ang dami ko talagang nalalamang chismis. And sorry ha, ngayon lang talaga ako nag-vlog about sa part 2 ng kanyang interview kasi na-busy talaga tayo. Sunod-sunod talaga yung mga dapat nating gawa ng reaction video kasi may Eurovision na ngayon. Eurovision is a song or an artist from Europe, mga countries na naglalaban-laban ng mga countries like Germany, Ukraine, Norway, lahat ng European countries naglalaban-laban sila kung sino pinaka-the best na song. So, si Celine Dion, sumama dyan. Kung familiar kayo kay Celine Dion, she represented Switzerland, and ABBA, they represented Sweden, if I'm not mistaken. So, yun, busy kami ngayon ng mga reactors sa Eurovision. Kung nakikita yung ibang Filipino reactors, Eurovision din yung ginagawa ng reaction video. So, I won't take any longer. Let's start this reaction video. Hindi pwedeng walang
And we're
Ruel.
back on the For the Win podcast.
So, hindi pala talaga siya nag-ano, no? Dito ko lang nalaman na hindi siya
Nalaman
nag-audition.
namin
So, magaling
na
talaga
tama
siya.
ba na single
Ay!
parent ang mother.
Yeah.
Ay, asan yung dad
Bilang
niya?
single parent, paano ito naka-apekto sa iyo bilang isang anak at bilang isang artist?
Kaya pala father
Only
figure
it's
siya, no?
challenging to watch
Oo naman.
because sino nga bang hindi malulungkot pag
Oo
nakita mo yung
naman.
nanay mo mag-isa?
Oo naman.
At,
Oo. Pero siguro mabait talaga siya. Hindi tayo iiyak.
po yung epekto sa pagiging artist ko.
Hindi niya naman sinabi na
Nanay,
nakakaiyak
nanay.
to for today's video.
My father, he died sometime in 2021 eh. So,
Oy.
my mother went full support sa akin. Kaya napakarami niyang
Sa pag-aaral mo,
Opo.
at bilang artist rin.
Opo.
Diba?
Hindi
Actually,
naman sinabi na
sa mga
nakakalungkot
events
to.
natin, nakikita ko madalas mo kasama, not madalas,
Opo. Always.
always kasama mo yung mother mo kaya nakilala mo siya.
Kaya pala.
Well, it's that's why she gave her full support nung
Sa'yo. Swerte naman.
contest po, pati sa regular life.
Mm-mm.
Because, kundi dahil sa kanya, ala ko rito. Siyempre, susuportahan ko rin siya.
True.
My way
So may
of
boyfriend si
giving
mother.
back is,
At susuportahan mo.
my
Hindi, Emi lang.
Kaya ngayon po,
Emi lang yun ha. Kinakat ko lang yung ano kasi nalungkot ako. Ayokong umiyak. Alam mo yung umpisa pa lang ng reaction video ko, umiyak na ako. Madadala ko siya eh.
medyo stable na yung career ko.
Mm-mm.
That's my way of saying thank you na lang. Thanks,
Maging
Mom.
humble ka lang talaga, maging
Thank you,
mabait
thank
ka
you.
lang
Paano mo
talaga.
naman gagamitin itong iyong talent and gift para ma-inspire yung iba pang mga bata na katulad mo na pinalaki ng isang magulang at for si magulang nag-sacrifice no, sa pag-aaral at sa
Mm-mm.
career mo. Paano mo gagamitin itong talent mo para ma-inspire din yung mga
Naiyak naman ako,
batang
oy.
katulad mo?
Maski kami naman po, dumaan sa onting hirap. So, that's why.
Kami, ako hindi talaga onte. Dear, sinasabi ko sa inyo maganda lang ako, pero dear ang pinagdaanan ko sa buhay.
Palagi kayo maghihirap. Maski
Pero masarap,
matagal mo ng
masarap na
kayo,
naranasan mo ang hirap.
gaganda rin ang buhay ninyo.
Mm-mm.
Don't lose hope. Because,
True.
Talagang
Be consistent.
dire-diretso lang.
yeah, because
Be
everyone
consistent.
has an opportunity. And life works in mysterious ways. Kasi
True.
God's plan.
Grabe, napaka-mature
God's
niya
plan,
mag-isip.
whatever happens to you. So, keep doing good.
Napaka-mature niya
Just
mag-isip.
because you're in a bad place right now doesn't mean that you'll remain.
Forever.
that
Yes.
place
Oh my
forever.
God. Yes.
Kaya,
Oh my God, I love his
don't lose
mentality.
Ano naman ang
Akin ka
kanta
na lang kaya.
na dinedicate mo sa mother mo? Whether Matt Monroe o hindi, but kanta na dedicated para sa kanya.
Wala na pala siyang tatay. Ngayon ko
My
na talaga
mom's
nalaman.
name is Lovell.
Lovell.
And Jose Marichan has a certain song called Thank You, Love. And the people who know my mom call her Love. So that's a direct message to her. It's
Sige nga, sample nga, sample.
Love niyo talaga yung
Thank
naiyak
you
ako.
for the smile that never fails to brighten my day. For the tender look when you gaze at me with eyes that fill my heart.
Naiyak talaga
For
ako.
the music of your laughter. Touch that makes
Ay, hindi ko alam bakit ako naiyak. Siguro naiyak ako dahil nalaman kong wala na siyang tatay. And nalaman ko, and napifeel ko kung mama's boy kasi ako eh. Alam mo, pag mahal mo ang nanay mo, hindi parents. Okay, sige sabihin natin parents, pero kung mahal mo talaga ang nanay mo at mabait ka sa nanay mo, you will be blessed more. You will be blessed more. Kaya, naiyak ako kasi ramdam na ramdam ko yung pagmamahal niya sa nanay niya, di ba? Bakit naman tayo naiiyak, akla?
my pulse go faster. Thanks for all the memories of a lifetime. That's really my favorite song to dedicate to my
Tumutulo ang
mom. Yeah.
luha ko
At
kahit
na alam
ayoko
niya
nang
yan.
umiyak. You know what I
Naririnig
mean?
niya.
Sa kanya ko narinig eh.
Sa kanya mo na rin.
Kasi dati po,
Mm.
narinig ko sa kanya. Narinig ko yung melody. Sinabi ko, ma'am, anong kanta yan? Basta alam ko, one of Jose Marichan's.
Ang ganda ng interview ni
Sinerge
Senator Win Gatchalian,
Thank
ha?
you.
In fairness,
Comma,
ganda ng topic. The flow.
Kaya gustong-gusto kong i-dedicate sa kanya yon dahil may comma eh. Thank you. Dedicated to love.
Grabe,
That's her
pati
name,
kama,
eh.
alam niya. Hindi ko na alam kung anong purpose ng kama. Alam ko lang pause.
Ay, maganda yun
Kung may
na,
kama, mag-pause ka. Ganon.
pinapahiwatig mo sa mother mo yung appreciation at your love at merong kanta para sa kanya. Importante talaga sa mga bata, kahit na kami matatanda,
Opo.
pahiwatig natin yung ating appreciation sa parents.
Pero kung masaya ako, yung kantang nilidedicate ko sa nanay ko, Dancing Queen.
Dancing Queen. Kakasabay ko lang
narinig
ABBA, di
nananalo ka
ba?
ng new male artist sa 2025.
Kakasabay ko
awards.
lang ABBA.
Congratulations.
Thank you po.
At napakalaking award to, and tingin mo na-validate na isa ka ng magaling na artist dahil sunod-sunod yung mga awards na nakuha mo?
Medyo po.
Hmm.
Dahil ako po, kakapanalo ko pa lang nga sa contest. Wala pa akong masyadong napapatunayan. So, give me a bit more time. Tapos, I can fill in the shoes noong award na yon. Dahil, Aliw Awards, that's such a big,
Yes, Ali Awards, dear.
napakalaking karangalan. Kaya,
At yung kanta na kinanta mo is Born Free.
yeah,
Tama ba?
Born Free, I think.
Oo.
Born
So,
free.
Aliw Awards, napakalaking karangalan. Such a big award
yan.
to get. I think I can only stay true to that award by proving na I can make it in this industry, in this line of
With that award, pwede mo bang sabihin na born free ka na to explore other style and your own style? Kasi baka isipin ng tao nakakahon lang siya sa Matt Monroe style. With this award, itong Aliw Award, tingin mo pwede ka nang to explore? Are you born free to explore other style,
yeah,
even your own style?
because I've always been taught change may be scary, but it's not harmful. Kaya sabi nila, try mo to, try mong ganito, try mong ganyan. So, pinapasok ko na rin po yung ibang genre, mga ibang pwedeng
Para matry mo, no? Kung ano ang
yung mga ibang
pwede mong ma-explore o pwede
Pwede
mong
ma-explore.
magamit para sa iyong future career.
yeah, yung mga yung mga ibang pasabog.
Mm.
Kaya for me that award, it means a lot. And it really surprised me when I got that award dahil ni isang single wala pa ako eh.
Pasample nga
Ay.
ng Born Free.
Ayan
Born free as the wind blows, as free as the grass grows, born free to follow your heart. Live free and beauty surrounds you, the world still astounds you, Each time you look at a star,
Stay
Uh,
free. Charis.
stay free when no walls divide you. You're free as a roaring tide, so there's no need to hide.
Well, softly as I leave you, how do you honor your past? At ngayon, papunta na tayo sa bagong taon.
Softly as I leave you, it's a gentle goodbye. So all of the good things that happened this year, leave them. We're gonna have to leave them, and you're gonna have to make new good things for yourself.
Ano ba yung iiwan mo?
Personally.
Bigyan mo nga po ng one example lang.
For me, one of the best things to leave behind when you're moving into a new year is your doubts and your fears, even your insecurities. Di mo naman sila kailangan eh.
Tama. Ako kasi every new year is a new beginning eh. Arate kong ano. Kahit na minsan pa ulit-ulit lang ginagawa mo sa New Year's resolution, no? But it's still new.
Yeah.
Diba? Ano naman yung new na nakikita mong dapat mo i-embrace?
Ayan.
You
Hindi
should
na dapat
embrace change,
i-embrace.
but you should also remain loyal to tradition. So, kung gusto mo magbagong ganito, tanungin mo muna yung magulang mo.
Mm.
Sample nga, bigyan mo nga kami sample ng kanta na yun.
Softly as I leave you.
Ay, softly as I leave you. Kakanta pala siya dito.
I will leave you softly, for my heart would break if you should wake and
Bakit
see
hindi niya ito
me
kinakanta?
go. So I leave you softly, long before you miss me,
Dapat kinakanta niya to
long
eh.
before your arms can beg me stay for one more hour.
Ay,
Or
wow.
one more day.
Ay, akala ko one more
Well,
round.
love is a many splendored thing.
Ayan,
Ano yung
tatanungin
mga
ba ako may
splendored
girlfriend?
things sa buhay mo this
Yes.
2025?
Well, it was another year of life.
Mm.
And it was another year of opportunity po. So, I'm thankful for all of those things, but I'm also thankful to, of course, not only my career, but also to my education. Mga
Ay,
teachers ko ngayon,
napaka-ano niya?
salamat sa Diyos, hindi sila masusungit.
Galing.
Oo.
At
Naintindihan,
kung masungit
naintindihan
man
siya.
sila,
Isumbong
mahal
mo
ka
sa
nila.
akin.
Yeah,
gusto pa nila
Isumbong mo
masungit
sa
man po
akin.
sila. There's always a reason kaya
Isumbong
bakit
ko
sila.
saan? Tama ba yun?
Sample nga.
Love is a many splendid thing.
Ay, wow.
It's the April rose that only grows in the early spring. Love is nature's way of giving a reason to be living, the golden crown that makes a man a king. That's
Galing.
good
Galing
song.
mo talaga.
Okay.
Sana meron akong boses na katulad mo. Walk away. Ano ba yung dapat i-walk away mo itong 2025? At iwan natin itong sa lumang taon.
All of the bad experiences, all of the bad memories, all of the negative thoughts, all of the negative stuff that has happened throughout the year.
Meron ka bang gustong itapon?
Ay,
I guess all of the bad events that happened, all of the negative kung tawagin nga sa Chinese, all of the negative aura. So let's be positive na lang. It's a new year. Don't carry over the bad stuff from last year na lang.
Sample naman sa walk away.
Walk away. La 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 la.
Hi, hello.
Tonight, I'm gonna do my very
Walk away, please go, before you throw your life away. A life that I could share for just a day. We should have met some years ago. For your sake I say, walk away. Please go. That's,
Galing.
yun yung,
Ay.
yun yung pumatok sa taong bayan eh.
Ano naman
Walk away.
mabibigay mong payo sa mga taong nagsisimula pa lang? Yung mga feeling nila laging same tune na lang yung nangyayari sa buhay nila.
There comes a time when you will experience change. And when life won't be so repetitive anymore. Gaya nga ng sabi ni Rico Puno, may bukas pa.
Parang kang pagkausap ko, parang hindi 15 years old parang old soul. Yung
True.
kausap ko, full of
True.
experience and
Nagulat
wisdom.
nga
I
ako
think
na
kasama
15
yan
lang
sa
siya as a
pagiging
14 during that
Monroe mo.
time.
Marami ba nagsasabi sa'yo na ganun ka?
Opo, napakarami.
Sa mga nanonood
Ay,
natin
ang cute ng boses niya doon.
stuck
Opo,
sa
napakarami.
repetitive mode o sa repeat mode, ano ang mabibigay mo naman sa kanilang payo?
Gaya nga po ng sabi ko kanina, there's a time for everything. You're not gonna be in the same spot forever.
Mm-mm.
And change is inevitable.
Mm-mm.
Hindi mo mababago. Kaya kung ganyan man ang buhay mo ngayon, inevitable nga. You're not gonna be able to
Magsi-change.
stop it. Magbabago rin.
Yes.
Para sa'yo, Ruel, ano ang ibig
Totoo.
sabihin ng winner?
For me, appeal.
Appeal.
Your ability to entertain other people, to make them happy, not just yourself,
Mm-mm.
because you're also a person, tao ka rin, pero importante na hindi lang ikaw yung napapasaya mo. Kailangan pati sila.
At nagiging meron kang, para sa akin, nagiging inspirasyon para sa kanila.
Yeah.
Diba?
Maski yung mga nga po tuwang-tuwa po ako pag may lumalapit sa akin. Sinasabi nila, alam mo ba dahil sa'yo, ilang taon na ako hindi kumakanta.
Ay.
Parang nabuhay
He
ulit
is such an
yung apoy ng
inspiration.
mikropono sa
He's such an inspiration.
sarili ko. Gumanon. Kaya sinabi ko, ay talaga po. Mabuti naman po kung gano'n. That's the thing that makes me most happy.
Pagkatapos mo akong payakin?
Being an inspiration
Wala na pala
to
siyang dad.
many others.
Nakakainis.
Ruel, maraming salamat sa pagpunta mo dito sa atin. At congratulations
Thank you
sa
po,
lahat ng
Sens.
award mo.
Thank you po.
Congrats.
An inspiration
Of
to many
course.
more years to come.
Oo naman, yes.
New year,
Anyways,
new chapter.
thank you, Sen, for having, what do you call this? Ruel Carino dito sa show mo. Marami akong natutunan. Hindi siya nag-audition. Mama's boy siya, should I say. Tapos wala na pala siyang dad na napaiyak na naman tayo ni Ruel. Nakakainis. Charas, nakita niyo kung umiyak. Nakita niyo yung kahinaan ko for today's video. Wala na. So yeah, that is it for today's video. This is Kate Vlogs. And see you on my next vlog. Bye.